Welcome! In front of me I have a Redmi Smart Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this Smart Band. First we need to wake up the screen on our Smart Band, and you can do it by tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the about band option and tap on it, and here scroll down and find the option called serial NO. This is serial number, and here we have it. And once you're done checking your serial number, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the serial number on this Smart Band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.